Imagine that. A burning flying helicopter.
Oh, that would be dangerous.
That would look cool, but be very dangerous.
Yeah,
Do not do
but
that.
if you drank it and you were flying it.
First, we're going to look at helicopters. The plan for today is to find the cheapest flying thing.
I can get my own toy.
And that one's $18. Start off. Anyway, we'll continue the search. Dun dun dun. Quadcopter. $44. What else we got, baby, that flies?
This flies.
I don't know.
Here's the game.
There's a few different toys. Nothing flying. We'll continue. Hello. Paul and hanging out. We went on a bit of a mission, but before this, talking about trying to find a chick and Baby Yoda. We got him yesterday as well. So we went on a bit of a mission to look for an RC helicopter or a flying object. That was the cheapest thing we could find. We only found two in the end. This one and the quadcopter noted before. This was $18. The quadcopter was $40. Oh, that's right. Baby Yoda likes it. So, we're going to do a review, as we always do. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to charge it because it's in a box.
I'm not sure.
So, Cooper's going to open the box now and give me the box, and then he will look at it.
And
I'll
then
put Baby Yoda. Let's go.
You
It's
can
very
put him
cute.
in his
It does
bag.
have a little bag. Are you opening the box? I'll put him in the bag.
You have to be over 8 to play with it.
Yeah, that's a good start. 8 plus. I'm over 8, which is positive. Cooper is not. So
But I can still play with it.
Well, you'll be watching me play with it, and,
No.
I'll give you a run. That lake thing. It crashed down the stairs. But anyway, we will continue on. Oh, there we go. That's out. Is he going to stay? He doesn't want to stand up, my friend.
Oh,
There we go. What else we got? So there's the copter. We pulled out.
oh no.
Baby Yoda doesn't want to stand up. I'll swap you. You look after Baby Yoda.
I want to do this thing.
Oh, there we go.
I'll get the one.
Oh, is there another bit? Okay, well look at this then. So, what have we got on this side? We have oh, we need some scissors. We'll get Cooper to get the scissors. But anyway, this is the copter. It is about the size of my hand. I think there is a measurement on there. I don't know, it looks all good. It's plastic. It's all plastic. It's got a little motor in it.
If plastic flies to the ground and it lands on the ground really hardly, it will break, so we can't use it.
Yeah, and there's its little sensor in the back. Yeah, we won't try and break it. But there's a warning. Here we go. Warning: do not fly with broken or damaged rotors. May cause damage or lead to injury.
Told you.
Okay, thank you, Cooper.
You might get injured.
Yeah, there we go. It's quite reasonable. Doesn't look too bad. It's very plastic. Very plastic. I'm going to get some scissors to cut the helicopter. You actually just got to send it. Just push to the top to take it off. You can't feather it, you just got to go hard. As always.
See, you don't have to charge. Oh, yeah, you do.
You do need to charge.
There's no charger, though.
No. How does that work? Hold on. We'll have to get into it and look at how we charge the batteries. Yeah, how's that work? Does that come out? Okay, we'll read the instructions before I break it. Because $18 broken helicopter, $18. It's very cheap. 2-channel indoor durable structure. It's all very plastic. It's called a Play Studio. It comes from the warehouse. AeroCrest infrared controlled Armor Hawk stable flight system. 17.5 centimeters. Cooper rightly pointed out somewhere that it is 8 plus. Warnings on the blades: do not fly if broken.
Don't fly.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's fallen off. So, actually how it charges is it sits on there. So it plugs sits on it. Instead of a little connection point, there we go. Underneath. So it sits on there and charges itself. So I think we need batteries for that. I'll get to that. There's a lot of all the instruction on the box. It's actually a good idea. Other than you need to keep the box. Because who needs a box in your life rather than a bit of paper? Because it's big. Nothing's broken, that's good. So, it seems reasonably durable for a little plastic thing. So, from the current flight pass, what do you give it, Cooper, out of 10?
Out of 10, no, I'll give it the fun off the table. No, Baby Yoda.
There's a little orange thing in there. What's going on?
Oof.
Yeah, so recharging transmitter, ensure the batteries are installed correctly in the transmitter, make sure the transmitter is turned on. Don't squash the
Baby Yoda needs to sit on my lap.
do not squash the helicopter with anything. There's another plastic because it is quite fragile. I don't know how that opens because that's not a screw, but like a little orange plug, which is unusual.
Can we play with it?
Oh, there we go. How does that work? You gotta poke that in and pull that down. If I should do it with the scissors, but anyway. Oh, we need batteries. There we go.
Baby boo boo.
Double A's, which we have lots of, so we can resolve that in a minute. We'll do that. What else have we got for do not caution? Please wait 10 to 15 minutes after each flight to allow for the rechargeable battery to cool down before recharging. It's probably a very good idea. You know why?
After we charge it, we have to let it cool down.
Well, it might catch on fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want that. Imagine that. A burning, flying helicopter.
Oh, that would be dangerous.
That would look cool, but be very dangerous.
Yeah,
do not do
but
that.
if you burnt it and you were flying it...
Well, you could crash it into something, and if it's in your house, because it's indoor, that means your house might catch on fire.
Yeah, or if it gets close to... If it goes close to your toaster or anything which is hanging around over the house, it will catch on fire and then you have to get out of the house.
That's right, we'll put the fire out, if you know how to put the fire out. But we're not.
You need a steam washer to put it out.
Do not
do anything.
Use a steam washer. Do not overcharge the battery. Next one, number 2. Do not overcharge the battery. If the rechargeable battery becomes too hot to touch while charging, immediately
take it off.
Disconnect the helicopter from the transmitter. Otherwise, the rechargeable battery may become damaged or catch on fire. That's me adding that bit. Always recharge the helicopter under supervision. Be you 8 or over, unless you're an adult, do not do it by yourself. Do not tamper, disassemble, or puncture the rechargeable battery.
Don't punch the rechargeable battery.
Don't damage any batteries, to be honest. Do not connect the rechargeable battery to an electrical outlet. No, that is seriously a bad idea. Caution, do not touch the spinning helicopter rotors. That's even more important. See these things here? Spin, spin, spin.
Yeah, and they'll hurt your finger.
They will, that's right. Keep your eyes here. Here is an important one. Especially for the girls or boys with long hair. Get stuck in there and you're cutting your locks off. You'll have a little trim. Might look a bit sad. Here, face, hands and body away from the spinning helicopter. Read carefully before first use. Use only under adult supervision, as I said just before. To be used indoors only, not suitable for children under 8 years of age. We may later, at a later stage, try it outside. Because I want to.
What if it flies away?
No, we're actually controlling it. The other one that we might, anyway, we'll get to that. I'm not going to deal with that at this stage. This is going to be a test run. We're going to charge it. According to this, there's more instructions. It says that it takes 30 minutes. It gets 7 minutes of flight and it can go 9 to 12 metres, which is not far, but inside, I suppose. Indoor flight environment, helicopter length. There we go. If you can read that, it's backwards. 0 to 3, do not touch. Do not throw your batteries in the bin, and it's cardboard to recycle. Batteries 4. Warning, rechargeable batteries to remove, rechargeable batteries, non-rechargeable batteries not to be recharged, different types of batteries are new. There is a lot of instructions about do not do things that you should not do. But we have to write them because people don't know it, do they? Supply terminals are not to be short circuited. The toy shall be used with caution since skill is required. That is a good one. Do not touch the rotor. Play under adult supervision. Teach children how to fly safely and control the toy. It's odd that we're teaching to use it inside because I don't...
Okay, Daddy.
No, the schools are purple.
Daddy.
From fly range. Get the toy in line of sight. There we go.
Daddy, if
so you get some batteries.
Daddy, if you fly the helicopter, and how do you turn the helicopter off?
Probably with that button. I don't know.
If you fly...
I'm assuming it's that button.
Can I give you some batteries?
What's this left up thing here? What's this?
I don't know. I'm being pushed.
Anyway, batteries. And then we'll charge it, and then we will have a run.
Baby Yoda will return.
You wait here, I'll get the batteries. And in the house is a lot of batteries.
Dada, Baby Yoda wanted to be in front of this thing while you were gone, so he was in front of it.
Always remember, putting the batteries in, look at the plus and minus signs as
No,
per
you
that.
don't.
I'm just got one and I just
No,
have
you
that and you
don't.
jam it in.
You don't.
Normally the negative is at that spring end, but sometimes that is not the case. Put the batteries in,
Maybe you'll
battery,
like
battery,
this
battery, jam that on there, poke that back in. This little, it's got that little orange knobby thing and then you have to poke down. It's a bit weird. So, what we need to do to plug it in, see that there is where we charge it. That there needs to go on top of it. Which way have they got it when they're charging it? They've got it that way. No, they don't. They have it the other way. They've got it this way, so it goes this way. It says on and off, but I don't understand. There's no switch.
Pardon me, I did a party.
Is that a
Daddy?
switch? I'm not touching it. Anyway.
Daddy,
Yeah, buddy.
I said I did a party in this at the screen.
Yeah, well, everyone does farties, I suppose.
I
At least
know.
you're committed to it. Oh, it's got a little light. There we go. It's a little light in there. It's charging. So we're going to leave it there for, what are we time? What time? 30 minutes. I don't have the
30
phone. It's on there.
Shall I get the phone for you?
We've got the phone.
Where is it?
It's in front of us.
Right.
So once we finish that, charging, 30
So
minutes.
Daddy, so
we will
we're
then-
gonna put your timer on and put it on 30 minutes, and
Yeah.
then once it rings, we get up and take it off charge, and then we can fly it. But first, we need to let it cool down.
That's exactly right. And there's instructions on how to fly it. So there's a power indicator light, which is in the bottom, which will tell us when it's charged as well. So pairing the helicopter and the transmitter, there's a lot of things you need to do, which is
Can I go?
ready? It's charged, we think. Got a random little button on here. I think that's a button. Is that a button? Looks like a button. Oh, there we go. Flashed. It's flashing. We're going to stick it in the middle.
Don't nobody get hit.
You need to step away from your vehicle, my friend. Alright, you don't even know what you're doing. Oh, we have to pairing it. Ensure both the helicopter and transmitter are powered off. Switch on the helicopter with flash. Place the helicopter on the ground and the tail pointing towards you, which I have not done. Turn it on the transmitter, the power indicator on the transmitter. Where's the on button on this? Oh, there. There we go.
Can I step back?
Then what happens? Control position. Power indicator light would be lit, steady without flashing, indicating pairing is completed. Your helicopter is now ready to take off. Let's get ready to rumble. Boom! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, pretty cool, baby. Daddy doesn't want to commit.
Yeah. No commitment, though.
No commitment.
I did parties.
Did you fart again? Oh my god, you're like
Ready?
a silent trumpet, aren't you? Oh wow, look at
Don't turn it.
that. That'd be good over on the field. Oh,
Stays indoor use only, which is
oh.
stranger danger. That's why I don't understand why it says that. Because here, like in a house, and we need to work out how to fly, don't we?
Yeah.
Must be a way of hovering it.
What are those little buttons? During flight, if the helicopter keeps spinning clockwise, tap and release the L. Okay, works it. Yeah.
Don't get.
Problem is trying to hover it.
Is a problem.
Yeah.
We need more space.
I'm not going to do that.
You're breaking already.
Where's the box? No, just. Oh, yeah. I can break anyway. It's just really rough. It's very plastic. It's definitely a A+. There we go.
down the spout, didn't it?
Anyway, practice. I'm sure I'll be very good at it. But this for $18, it's actually quite good. But yeah, I definitely think it needs to go outside.
Yeah.
See up here it says don't take that. So, whoa. Oh.
Paul, can I have a turn?
Two buttons here, so left and right. So maybe the balance is off.
You nearly caught Mummy's tree.
Oh! Cut my finger.
No way.
That was good, wasn't it? You've actually just got to push it. Are you still there? Still there?
Yes.
Yeah. Point it at me. Point it, Daddy. You actually just got to send it. Just push it to the top to take it off. You can't feather it, you just got to go hard. I just don't understand how this is an inside toy.
How is it not an outside toy? I guess drones are outside toys.
Ready?
Daddy, sometimes with drones you can watch it. You nearly broke it. I know.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah.
But what if I lose control?
Well, it's not like I've done any better. There we go.
Still on video.
You stand here with Daddy yet?
Here.
Yeah. Hold on. Still going. Okay. Cooper's on. Just hit it. No. Ooh. Okay, you gotta go pick it up. You just gotta go straight to the top, mate. You can't feather it. You just gotta go up.
Then can you put this on?
That bit there goes on there. It falls off every
Pointing
time.
at me.
Hmm?
How much are they pointing at me?
That's what it says. I don't know if that's actually true, to be honest.
What
Okay.
it says is how
Hold on. No. Hold on. You just gotta go full to the top. Push it straight to the top. Yeah, that's it. Yeah! Well, anyway. I've got the back bit again. Whoa!
What did I do there?
Do not do that. Do not do that, children.
It looks dangerous. Well, we need a ginormous round. I wish we didn't have that there.
Well, don't fly it into Mummy's chandelier.
No.
Mm.
If it got stuck in there and it was hanging off for a few days,
Okay.
and it went to the bottom one,
Okay.
it'd probably fall off if you made it.
Ready? Hey! There it goes. That is so cool.
Oh, it's still on.
Yeah, it doesn't turn itself off. It's got an on and off button, buddy.
No, I mean,
Well,
this
Can I have another go?
fly. This
Oh, it's stay
thing is
on.
still
Yeah, you did. I thought that was quite good, that one. Hold on. Go. Oh, no. Oh, look. He landed it, sort of. Shall we have a look?
That was a terrible.
Oh, I thought you were going to hit the chandelier after specifically talking about it.
Yeah, no.
Where is it? Hey, it didn't break.
We should fly it somewhere else.
Oh, we've lost the black bit now, though.
Aww.
Okay, you're going to have to find it. Okay, we'll turn the light on. Parts. So we lost that black thing. And it crashed down the stairs. But anyway, we will continue on. That was bound to go missing, but it lasted what? I think we had 7 minutes, 8 minutes worth of video. So there it is. Is that it over there? Oh, we found it. Ah. Go. Hey! No, it's on the ground. Stop. Nothing's broken, that's good. So, it seems reasonably durable for a little plastic thing. So, from the current flight pass, what do you give it, Cooper, out of 10?
Out of 10, no, I'll give it. Okay. a million and
Don't do that.
1,099,000,099. Thumbs up.
That's great. There we go. Well, that's very good. I found it very good. $18. Impressed. We're going to try and... it really needs to go outside. I don't know why you're not supposed to take it outside, but that's where we're going to go. Probably because it just goes. But it says it's only got a distance of 9 to 12 metres, so you're only going up or across. We're going to give it a go. But what do we do for now?
Hang in there.
Like and subscribe. Next video with it outside.